Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to import models into SceneWorker. I select root node and I right click on root node and I'll have a list of options here, and one is import child. Select import child, and what I have is an interface into the resource locator, and I also have an import combo box which basically gives me a number of model types that I can import. Let's select MD2, click import and select test data, and this data is the data directory in the JME test package. We'll select model and we'll select Dr. Freak MD2, and there we have it. If we select the mesh, we can see that it's imported, and you can see that it's untextured. And if we select the mesh itself, we can see that there are texture units associated with it, which we can see here when we look at view mesh buffers. We can see that for every triangle in the mesh there is a texture associated with it. So let's import a texture into that mesh. So the first thing we do is create a render state, which is a texture state. And now we can right click on the texture state to load a texture, and here we have a kind of image viewer dialog, which is in the same directory as where we imported the model. So that's the texture, so load that in, and now we can see Dr. Freak has been textured. And so that's the basics of model loading in SceneWorker.